Elon Musk just laid out a vision for the future of artificial intelligence that feels like it came straight out of a science fiction film, but he insists this is real and happening now. In a major company-wide reveal, Musk detailed how his AI company, XAI, has grown rapidly and what it plans next, including ideas that go way beyond chatbots, from orbital data centers to factories on the moon that could change how humanity computes, creates, and explores space. At its core, this story is about how artificial intelligence could scale beyond Earth itself. Elon Musk has been talking about AI for years, but what he shared represents a plan to build AI infrastructure using Earth, orbit, and even lunar resources. He explained that human civilization is consuming more and more energy, and that Earth has limits on how much power can be devoted to running massive AI systems. Musk argues that space offers a dramatic solution to this problem, because it has virtually unlimited access to solar energy, no need for vast cooling infrastructure, and the ability to support compute at scales that terrestrial data centers can only dream about. Solar energy in space, he says, removes a fundamental constraint on growing AI compute power and could become the lowest cost way to generate next-generation AI performance within a few years. XAI itself may be only about 2.5 years old, but Musk pointed out that it has already achieved remarkable results in AI performance despite competing against companies that have been building models for a decade or more. The company's language model, known as Grok, has been touted internally for achievements in forecasting accuracy, voice integration, and image and video generation, outpacing rivals in certain benchmarks. Employees highlighted how XAI went from zero to launching products that lead in these areas in a very short time, focusing on mission-driven teams and heavy compute resources. Musk emphasized that velocity and acceleration are more important than starting position in tech leadership, and XAI's rapid progress is proof of that belief. The company isn't just building another chatbot. Musk described its aim as building an everything app, a platform that can assist with virtually any task, whether it's answering complex legal questions, generating images and video from text prompts, building slide presentations, or helping with creative work. The vision is to amplify human capability so that people and teams can accomplish tasks far faster and more effectively than ever before. A central piece of this strategy is the belief that AI isn't just about chat or creative generation anymore. In XAI's product roadmap, several areas are now major focus zones. One team works on Grok, the general intelligence and voice model. Another focuses on video and image generation tools. A third works on models designed to automate complex tasks like coding support. And a fourth concentrates on agents that can emulate full enterprises and digital systems from end to end. In practical terms, this means not only creating tools that assist humans, but building systems that can directly perform complex operational tasks. Imagine AI that doesn't just suggest code or fix bugs, but writes and optimizes software automatically, or agents that can run entire digital workflows without human intervention. This idea of self-improving AI systems represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with and use intelligent technology. One surprising part of Musk's vision involves AI's relationship with space exploration. Traditional data centers on Earth require enormous amounts of electricity, and as AI models grow more powerful, their energy needs expand dramatically. Musk argues that there's a physical ceiling to how much compute the Earth can support without causing environmental or infrastructure stress. To solve this, the plan calls for deploying orbital data centers, satellites that act like floating computing hubs powered almost entirely by solar panels in space. These satellites would be capable of running AI workloads continuously without the same cooling or energy constraints that terrestrial centers face. Musk envisions launching millions of tons of satellites per year using SpaceX's Starship rocket system, building a massive constellation that could deliver hundreds of gigawatts or even terawatts of AI compute capacity annually, far more than Earth-based facilities alone can generate. The idea of solar-powered orbital compute is not just theoretical. Musk insists that by tapping near-constant sunlight in space, AI systems could run more cheaply and efficiently than they ever could on Earth, and within a time frame as short as 2 or 3 years. This timeline is ambitious, and some analysts caution that building fully functional space data centers requires overcoming real engineering challenges such as radiation shielding. Nevertheless, the plan represents a bold vision of what the future of AI infrastructure could look like. Beyond orbit, Musk's vision extends to the moon as a manufacturing hub. Once in place, lunar factories could use local resources and launch equipment into space more cheaply using a mass driver, a device that accelerates payloads off the lunar surface without rockets. With this infrastructure, Musk imagines building and launching AI satellites from the moon itself, which could greatly increase the scale of space-based computing operations and bring humanity closer to harnessing a significant fraction of the sun's energy output. That might sound like pure science fiction, but Musk connects this vision to a long-term strategy of expanding human presence in space. If AI can scale into orbit and beyond, it could serve not only as an engine for technological progress on Earth, but also as a tool for understanding and exploring the universe. In Musk's telling, extending consciousness and intelligence beyond Earth's tiny place in the cosmos, of course, these kinds of ambitious plans come with massive costs, both financially and technically. That's why Musk recently merged XAI with SpaceX, creating a single megacorporation valued at over $1 trillion with combined capabilities in rockets, satellites, AI, and communications infrastructure. This integration aims to streamline finance and technology, making ambitious projects like orbital data centers and lunar manufacturing more feasible in the long run. While Musk's vision pushes the boundaries of what we might consider possible with AI and space infrastructure, it also raises important questions about how AI should be developed and governed. The pace of innovation means that teams need to think carefully about ethical safeguards, unintended consequences, and how to ensure that powerful AI systems benefit people around the world, rather than create new sources of inequality or risk. One of the underlying themes in Musk's reveal is that intelligence, whether human or artificial, expands what humanity can achieve. But with that expansion comes great responsibility. Building AI that can assist humans and even operate independently forces us to consider how we design, control, and deploy these systems. Ultimately, the future Musk describes is one where AI becomes deeply woven into the fabric of our lives, our industry, and our cosmic aspirations. Whatever happens next, it's clear that XAI's vision is not limited to improving chatbots or generating images. The company is pushing toward a future where AI systems are fundamental infrastructure like electricity grids or communication networks, but on a scale that spans Earth and the solar system. Now imagine what this could mean for everyday life in the years ahead. AI that runs global research and innovation networks, machines that manage entire factories of knowledge and creation, and infrastructure that harnesses the sun's energy to fuel discovery and exploration. This future blends cutting-edge technology with space ambitions that reshape how we think about intelligence, energy, and humanity's place in the universe. If you want to stay up to date with the world's most exciting AI developments and understand how these big ideas could impact your life, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let us know in the comments what part of this future excites you the most. Like the video if you enjoy deep dives into tech and exploration, and share with friends who love science and innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.